What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Wolf back with another video. You see Cerberus in the back looking mostly beastly. Today, I'm gonna be putting in. He's mostly putting in the carbon fiber steering wheel. And right now, since I've been getting a misfire code, random misfire, the P3100 that a lot of people in the RIP community get, I'm having the spark plugs changed out, getting some new NGKs put in. So I got the NGK coils, NGK spark plugs. So that's what's going on right now. So this video is not about the tune-up. This video is about the steering wheel, but this is something that's in the video. So you see a little see Cerberus's insides. I know that I should probably cover that up, but I don't feel like it. Ain't no trees over here. It'll be all right. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we got going on. Anything you want to say, Malik?
Nah. Not right now.
Alright, he said he good for right now, but later he's going to talk to you guys a whole lot. So, that's what we got going on right now. So, stay tuned. Alright, guys. So, it started to rain, but now it looks like it automatically stopped, and now the sun's out again, which is kind of weird. So, I pulled into the garage, and so first thing you want to do when you try to change your steering wheel is disconnect the battery, because what was that? Because if you don't, you might get knocked out by the airbag. You might be alright if you got a good chin, but chances are you get knocked out by the airbag. So the battery has been disconnected. I propped the door open so I can get back in the damn car. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Cause you know I got the heated steering wheel option. Damn, you cannot see me. Ha. So I got the heated steering wheel option, so there's a couple extra wires. So we're trying to figure that out right now. So I'm gonna tune in, guys. Tune in. Let's see how this goes. Let's get this old one off and get this new one on with the most aggressiveness and the most carbon fibers. All right, so we are working on the steering wheel. Mostly him. I'm mostly spectating, but I'm here for emotional support. So where is it at? This hole right here. So there's like, you can stick like a small wrench or something in there, and you kind of have to unclip it. So this side right here is unclipped already. You can see it moves. This side is not, so it don't move well. So that's the present situation. Trying to get that thing unclipped. All right, guys. So he managed to get it off. How'd you say he did it again? Just after you do the whole thing I showed you guys previously,
Grab the 5-foot pry bar, put it behind it, popped it off.
what? Pry bar?
Turn your steering wheel to the side. This is what I did. And then you see this little spring in between. Turn your flathead to the side.
Yeah.
Press it. And you should be able to pop one side out at a time. So of course you're gonna do that while it's inside of the car.
Bet.
So that's the spring you're looking for.
So if you get your steering wheel, remember, turn it to the side and just stick the screwdriver in there. Because what we were trying wasn't working at all. Well, what he was trying, I was just watching.
Yeah, the other
I helped for like a couple seconds though, for real.
demonstrations they had weren't, very well.
Nah. So now it's just unconnecting that shit in the back. So I'll probably have a couple extra wires because of the heated steering wheel.
But we'll get that hooked up shortly.
Yeah. So I'll have a couple extra.
And solder everything in.
Yeah, you gotta solder it in?
Well, if those, you remember I was telling you about the wires not being plug and play?
Yeah.
So that way there can be a solid connection. You want to solder it so that way when you turn the steering wheel, go over potholes and whatnot, it doesn't come apart. You don't have a weak connection.
Probably like 4 videos ago, maybe more, maybe less, I don't know. But there was a little black package that I had that I was like, I'll show you guys what it is when the time comes. So the time is now, and where is it? Here it is. Boom, the black package right here. So this is something that is going to go on the steering wheel. What are you doing, brother? Disregard. Yeah. Woo, with the blue, that's gonna look crazy.
Is it an 8-ball?
8-ball? You got Coke in my car?
Nah, I was talking about the steering wheel knob.
Oh, no, I ain't got no steering wheel knob.
Oh,
They got an 8-ball. I thought he had some. They got blow in the car. All right, so right now I'm prying off this this Dodge logo because I want this thing to sit flat. I want this to sit flat on there like so. So right now, I just feel like this will get in the way. So I'm prying this off. All right, y'all, I have defaced this thing. The Dodge brothers will not be happy. But the deed is done. Now time to stick the supercharged badge on. See how this thing looks. You know, I'm doing all the hard work on this side. I don't know what the hell he's doing playing with fucking wires. Yeah, so I'm doing all the hard stuff. So you need help, man?
I mean, it's not much space over here.
All right. He's got it. He's got it. You know, I used to be an electrician.
Really?
No, I don't know about no damn electronics. I couldn't help you if I wanted to, man. I was lying. All right, here's a side-by-side comparison. Definitely, this one's definitely meatier. For sure. That shit looks way better. You about to set off the whole car, brother.
I like the blue in it.
Yeah. You know, I had them add the blue touches with the blue stitching over here.
That's what I'm saying. I like the blue carbon fiber. That's good.
Yeah. I had them add that too. You know, it's mastermind.
What do you say? The most blue interiors?
The most blue interiors that you've ever seen. All right, guys. As you can see, well, you probably can't see, but it is a whole new day. The steering wheel thing. So you hear Cerberus in the back though, sounding beastly. Yeah, but as you can see, you can't see, but it is a whole new day. So it's a whole new day. The steering wheel thing took forever. Had trouble sticking the little thing in the hole and popping the thing off. So after we figured that out, rewired everything and put everything back together. Everything except my heated steering wheel. So I don't know if it works yet because we didn't hook it up. Those wires are just in there. I don't know if that's dangerous or not, but they're just in there existing right now. So I just wanted to show you guys the steering wheel and then close the video out. So it's in. I don't know if the heated steering wheel works yet because obviously, like I said, the wires are not hooked up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It came out good looking. It's raining again. So the steering wheel came out good. It looks good. Everything looks great. Let's see if we can get you in there, brother. Hey, stop beeping, brother. Back up a little bit. There it is. Boom. Yeah, that's amazing. Don't act like you're not impressed. So, like I said, everything came out great. I got the steering wheel was not cheap. It was like almost $900 or $800, something like that. I'll let you guys know exactly what it was in another video. But it came out good. We still got to figure out how to hook up the heated steering wheel part. I need to shave. So that's pretty much it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got more stuff coming. I got new mods coming in. Mod came in yesterday. Big mods are coming in tomorrow. So yeah, man, just stay tuned. I got a lot of stuff planned in my medulla for the build. So just stay tuned, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And Me and Cerberus out.
Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Power moves, power moves. Rocked up, yabba dabba do.